Students, let's start revising the lesson angles. In the first video, we have discussed about what means angle. An angle means when two rays come together, meet at a single point, then the new figure is called as an angle. In this video, we had discussed about the 7 different types of angles. First angle was zero angle. When both the rays lie on each other, they are called as zero angle. Then the next point was acute angle. When the angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called as acute angle, but it should be more than 0 degree. Third angle was 90 degree angle, which is also called as a right angle. Obtuse angle, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. A reflex angle is angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And the last angle was complete angle. Complete angle means an angle which measures 360 degree, then it is said to be as a complete angle or a full angle. In the second video, we have discussed about the tools present in a compass box and an angle bisector. What all are the tools present in a compass box? Compass, scale or a ruler, protractor, pair of set square. There are two set squares present in a compass box. This pair is of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and this is of 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree. This is called as a divider. This point, an angle bisector. An angle bisector is a line which passes through the center of a given angle and which makes two equal halves of a given angle. We have learned how to draw an angle bisector. An angle bisector is drawn with the help of a compass. First of all, you should have an original angle. With the help of compass, you draw arcs and then you get a point of intersection of two arcs. After that, you draw a ray which passes through the arc and the angle, origin of the angle. That ray divides an angle into two equal halves. This line is called as a angle bisector. Here, if the angle is of 60 degree, this entire angle ABC is of 60 degree, then the angle bisector divides the angle into two equal halves. That means this angle will be of 30 degree and this angle will be of 30 degree. In the next third video, we had discussed about to construct an angle equal in measure to a given angle using a compass and a ruler. In this part, we have studied how to copy an angle with the help of original angle and the tools which is compass and a ruler. First of all, we need to have an original angle. Then, with the help of compass and a ruler, we have copied the angle. If the original angle is of 30 degree, then the newly drawn angle will be also of 30 degree. If the original angle is of 60 degree, then the newly drawn angle will also be of 60 degree. This was about the entire chapter angle.